Hello everyone. Today I'm going to read a book, The Magic Letter, written by Akib Jalil, illustrated by Shreya Sen, published by Pratham Books. A level 3 story. Now let's get started. The Magic Letter. It just lives in Haryana. Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. Even though they live so far away from each other, they are best friends. Not long ago, Ijaz and Vikram had been neighbors. The two boys had loved playing cricket, solving riddles, and eating biryani. They had celebrated everything together, from birthdays to festivals. It just had been sad when his best friend moved away, but Vikram's letters always cheer him up. He loves solving the puzzles that Vikram sends. One day of Eid, an envelope from Vikram arrives. It just opens it and pulls out a card. Eid Mubarak, Ijaz. A surprise awaits you. Read the letter. As Ijaz opens the letter, he wonders what Vikram has sent him. The last time it had been a number puzzle. But wait, the paper is blank. Is this a mistake? Look at this blank paper. Is he supposed to turn the piece of paper into something? It just tries to fold it. Nothing happens. It just holds the paper to the light. He rolls it and looks through it. He runs his fingers over the surface of the paper. Nothing happens. It just looks at the card again. That's when he notices the orange and yellow flame on the card. Had Vikram colored it? But wait, Vikram does not like to color. It just rushed to the kitchen. Ammi, I need something hot. Ammi wipes her hand on a towel. The biryani isn't ready, Ijaz. You will have to wait. I don't want to eat biryani. It just explains that he wants to heat the letter. Ammi helps him light a candle with the flame from the stove. It just takes the paper close to the candle. If you fold the paper too close to the flame, it will burn, Ammi warns. He holds the paper at a safe distance from the candle and taps his foot impatiently. What will happen? A few moments later, brown lines appear on the paper, as if by magic. Wow! Look at these words, Ammi, shouts Ijaz. Ammi reads the words out loud along with Ijaz. Where we play with marbles. Ammi is confused by the message, but Ijaz jumps with excitement. I know where to go, yells Ijaz. He runs down 2 flights of stairs, past a parking area, and stops in front of a bench. But there is nothing there. Ijaz is sad. He was sure that there would be another clue waiting for him. He turns around and gasps, Vikram, what are you doing here? He just can't believe his eyes. This is the best surprise ever. Can't you guess? Says Vikram, beaming. I came because I miss your Ammi's biryani. It just laughs and hugs him. At that exact moment, Ammi calls out to Ijaz, Biryani is ready! And that is the end of the story. Now, top secret. To create your own secret letter, you will need the following: lemon, water, a bowl, a blank paper, a paintbrush. And the method to create this magic letter is: number 1. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl. Number 2. Add a few drops of water. Stir well. Number 3. Dip the paintbrush into the lemon juice mix and write your message on the sheet of paper. Number 4. Allow the invisible ink to dry. Number 5. Share your secret message with a friend. The message will be revealed only when the paper is heated with a candle or a warm light bulb. Have fun and create your magic letter for your friend to be shared with him and making your secret letter. Thank you so much.